Yo, what's good, guys? We're headed to the storage unit. You guys will meet a few of my buddies, Jerome, Ibrahim. Yo, what's up, pussy?
Yo, was that your cousin?
If we line it up, bro, I'ma just jump it.
He's definitely gonna want some.
I'm gonna jump it on the first honk.
Shit is crazy, man.
Shot a flame?
I don't think so. I don't think so at all. Is that a cop?
Fuck that guy, yeah.
Jerome is putting on a new front end. It's a Type RR.
Are you telling me that my car's the fastest here?
I'm telling him I could beat you in a race, but hey, you know, I let him know that my car's down though. It's a Volvo C30.
This is the bumper we're putting on Jerome's car. This is his FA5, 8th gen, whatever you want to call it.
Ibrahim's like, yo, I just said all of that already.
Yeah, man, I already said all that shit.
Yo, it had the music on. I gotta reiterate. Jerome's car is so fucking clean. Mugen wing with the carbon in the middle. Hey, bro, what is all this?
Oh, what are you doing? What are you
Oh no.
So you know it's official?
Oh yeah. Yo, put that shit on upside down. You know what the people want.
Honda.
There's double-sided tape on it too, right?
Yeah.
Sheesh!
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Of course.
Yeah, man, come on. Oh, it is?
Oh yeah, I'm off of Wish, bro. You know how.
I'm from Etsy, come on.
Etsy got all the OEM parts.
So here is the K20 C3 with the, is that a K&N intake, bro? K&N intake, bro.
Yo,
Anything
look up a
else, man?
stabilizer on this guy. No, no! What's blocking? Oh, this one. Can't be the only thing blocking it.
They're just having a little bit of a struggle. Give them a second.
Just getting the plastic off.
Or what's it called?
All this dude wants to do is hang out with me because I work on this car, yo.
Yeah, man.
For free.
Jerome has a clean ass car.
Ibrahim got a boat.
I got a boat. Water damage.
Tell them what happened to your car, yo.
So basically,
I have a Volvo C30. The thing about Volvos is they're safe apparently, and I really have different opinions on it now. But there's, I'm just saying. So water damage water got into my car from a busted sunroof hose. I didn't even know this existed, but the sunroof is not watertight, it's sealed. So you know, yeah. Let me just turn this shit around. I'll explain later.
okay. Let me focus this shit. This shit is a fucking fail.
Just the harness, just that.
Okay, they're taking it off. As we can see. What I was gonna say is water.
Got through the car, got into through the sunroof. The hoses are supposed to be connected to disperse the water under the car and get it out of the system so it doesn't fall into it, but it failed to do that because the hoses were not connected in the first place. The reason that's why is because Volvo over-engineered a simple ass part, making it a two-piece system that connects to the ground, and over time the rubber gets brittle and it just disconnects and allows water to get in, and if water gets in, obviously your interior smells like shit.
Insulation.
Yo, shut the fuck up, bro. Shut the fuck up.
I'm just saying, man. Just gotta let these niggas know. But yeah, molds got into the insulation. I had to clean it out, bleach it up. Yeah.
Ta-da!
That is freaking nice, yo. Anyone want to buy it? $25, bro. Right there. Who trying to buy it?
Yo, come here.
Trying to buy it? Trying to buy it? What are we doing?
Yo, just relax. You got it, yo. Just step back, bro. One night we got passed by Jerome's house. Cut all these zip ties off.
So it's holding this?
It don't fit.
It doesn't fit. Wait.
Cap.
Stop.
Cap. He's fucking capping. It doesn't fit?
Oh no.
You might have to drill.
Can we rob the one off of this? Yo, I think you could just snap these off, honestly. Just like pop, pop. No, you do that shit.
Oh, you could, yeah. You could just snap them off.
Oh, good. Yo, it's Chris.
Who?
Chris.
Oh yeah, with the RSX. Usually the rear end is always like off.
Yo, like nothing.
Yeah, that's what I
Like
said about
nothing.
Honda.
Like nothing, bro.
That's what I said
OEM
about
parts,
Honda.
bro. Like nothing. That 3M tape finna hold though.
Well, I mean, because I'm going so fast.
Yeah, if that shit falls off, bro.
Okay.
He feels happy.
It's trash. Throw it out.
Hater.
It's trash. Ooh.
Oh my.
That's for the girl, right?
That's my bit.
Robin?
I said I let my engine do the talk.
This fucking guy, yo.
This fucking.
This fucking guy.
Hey, I put this on.
Yo,
Everybody's just watching me.
He hold this, bro. Fucking hell.
This way? Easy?
Cause you see how the back looks, and then look at the front. You see how it looks different.
Yeah, so is this...
Here, bro, you do this shit.
I'm gonna see if I
Mr.
understand.
fucking know-it-all.
I'm a C30,
Yeah, man. C30.
I'm a C30 expert. I know everything.
Okay, so.
So it is like this? Or what if it's... If you're looking at like this?
No, like left-hand drive, right-hand drive. So the left side goes with the left, left-hand drive.
What the fuck?
No, what if you're looking at like this then?
Bro, no, left side, right side.
No, because we're looking at like this. That's why he gave me the left side. But where you're looking at, this is your right.
Oh, your car
I
is
think
left.
it's this way.
So this...
Yeah, your car's left-hand drive. This is the driver's side, so that goes on this
What would
side.
make a difference?
Yeah, it's LH, RH.
Yeah, left-hand, right-hand.
Wait, why would this make a difference if it's right hand?
That's what I'm trying to say. You know?
Because it's. Let me see.
What are you talking about?
Because there's a step to it.
No.
I'm gonna just say this is the right side.
What does it say?
We're looking at it
RH?
like this.
This is the left side, so.
No,
looking at it
you
like
fucking motherfuckers.
So that's right. This is left.
Yo, right-hand drive. Where's the steering wheel?
Left.
Fuck. Still at it. Still haven't figured it out. Still juicy as fuck. Also, I just wanted to say, the first video, if it was really bad, I'm really fucking sorry. Never really recorded before, never really held a camera before. Just got this camera prior to making these videos, so just been pointing and shooting really, pictures and videos, trying to get comfortable behind the camera. But I mean, if you guys wanted another review, better review on my ND, let me know. I'm more than down to do it. I just know that shit was so cringe, the first video.
20 horsepower. I want to hear it.
Yo, your shit don't move, bruh.
Over 200 horsepower, though. Don't want to hear it.
Yo, why isn't your car here tonight, bruh?
Because it's like water, yo. It fucked up my CEM. Wait, my CEM.
CUM?
CUM, yeah, come, bro.
Alright, here, bro. You break your own shit. I don't,
I was saying.
I don't want to break it for you.
I got it. Oh, you know what? I think you were right. Press down.
This fucking guy, yo.
Not fun.
There you go.
And then.
Oh!
So, pretty cool.
Hey. Whose fucking nail clipper is it?
I noticed that like recently.
Yeah, I
It's
know
yours.
that.
It's
No,
yours,
it's not
isn't
mine.
it,
I
bro?
don't fucking use that
Where's the
shit.
other half, bro? I know you're lying.
Oh, I
bright.
I want the
Ah, shit, it is fucking bright.
Yo,
Look at this guy. He's so happy to be behind another man. But he's pretty fun.
Finish one
I
side.
like the voice.
Alright, so this is the last piece. Oh shoot.
Yo, this fucking guy.
Last piece, you gotta put it in nicely.
Give it that touch. Give it that touch.
Hey, you can pick it up over there. Let's pick it up, yeah.
Yeah.
Think so?
Yeah, that shit is flying off on the highway, bro. But you gotta get this side. This side looks like it's fucking out.
Oh yeah, I see you.
Yo, that shit is clean. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh, don't do it, dude.
Nah, do it.
Dude. Yo, you mad horny right now, bro. Relax.
I thought he was a Jabberwocky. Brain loss. Put it in my...
There's cheeks everywhere, bro. Cheek City.
You're done. Finished product. This shit looks so good. The big reveal, the big reveal.
Wait, what?
Put the fogs on. Yo, look at it from here, son. That is nice. Check it. Yeah. It's nice, bro.
Ready?
Ooh. Jerome, what you think, bro?
I think it's a 7 out of 10.
7? 7 out of 10. Makes a fucking cinematic video.